I'm going to show you an energy psychology trick that you can use when you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, disconnected, and you can do it anywhere. You can do it standing or sitting, and it's called the Cook's Hookup Breathing Technique. It's kind of tricky to say, or at least for me. So what you're going to do is you're going to, off camera, you're going to put your right ankle over your left ankle like that, and then you're going to put your arms out in front of you. You're going to put your right arm over your left arm, interlace your fingers, come up and under, and just breathe through your nose. And you're just gonna ideally hold your breath for a few moments on each inhale. And do that for a few minutes. And I outline all the benefits of this down below, so read down below. And if you'd like more information like this, let me know and follow me for more tips. And as always, expect joy.